Hi guys, it's Sunday and today is our oath-taking. So, as what you have noticed guys, ito nga pala yung room na nahanap namin kagabi. So, actually late na talaga kami nakahanap ng room. Ang talagang nilibot talaga namin yung Tacloban downtown. So, buti na lang talaga is kasama naman yung kaibigan ng partner ko. Ang talagang hindi niya talaga kami iniwan hanggang sa makahanap kami ng room. So, ito yung nakita namin guys. And at first, sabi ng may-ari dito is wala na daw space, pero nakiusap talaga kami na kahit panggabi lang kasi nga wala na talaga kaming mahanap. And then sobrang mahal din kapag mag-hotel kami kasi nga limited lang din yung pera na dala namin. So talagang nakiusap kami na sana kahit pang isang gabi lang. So buti na lang talaga guys is naawa yung may-ari sa amin kasi nga talagang nakita niya na nga basang-basa na talaga kami sa ulan. So binigyan niya kami ng isang room. So anyway guys, as what you have noticed, papunta nga pala kami ngayon sa McDo kasi nga bibili kami ng breakfast and talagang nakikita nyo naman na walang tigil yung ulan. Actually kagabi pa to guys, talagang wala siyang tigil and sobrang lakas din minsan ng ulan. So since wala kaming payong nadala, we decided na tumakbo na lang. So talagang basang sisiw talaga kami ng partner ko. So anyway guys, as what you have noticed, andito na kami sa McDo and waiting na lang din kami sa order namin. So maaga kaming nagising ngayon kasi nga kailangan din namin makapunta dun sa venue kasi hindi talaga kami sanay sa biyahe dito sa Tacloban. So magta-tricycle lang din kami today para at least hindi na din kami hassle kasi nga wala kaming dalang payong. So as what you have noticed guys, andito na kami sa venue. So sobrang happy ko lang kasi nasa front view talaga ako and then sobrang sulit din ng pagod naman kasi nga andito na kami, mag-outtaking na kami. So yung partner ko kasi is dun siya pumasok sa kabila kasi sabi nila is yung guest is nasa kabila, pero okay lang naman din pala dito. So late na din namin nalaman, pero anyway okay lang yun. So anyway guys, waiting lang din sila na mapuno talaga yung venue kasi nga first come first serve yung mangyayari dito kasi nga meron pa ding third batch. So while waiting, nagpipicture taking muna kami and then hinihintay ko din guys yung partner ko kasi nga sobrang haba ng pila dun sa gas. So actually, maya-maya lang kapag mapuno ng venue is mag-i-start na din yung outtaking. So, anyway guys, dyan na muna kayo and maya-maya lang din is mag-i-start na din yung outtaking. So, stay tuned guys!
Dr. Joyce M. Magulis, the chairman of Faculty Region League, and also the vice president of the student development of the Lincoln University. And of course, the officers.
That is the duty of the government. In your case, your first duty is to make sure that you are contributing something to society. And I know, looking at you now, maybe has years like that. And of course, and you know things and you know, yes, that we also do. So, but we Happy New Year, everyone! I like that. So you have a very active group of teachers, the newly licensed teachers. Are you happy today?
Yes!
Are you grateful this afternoon?
Always!
Of course, so are you happy? because we are now newly licensed professional teachers. I like your smile. Don't you have to show me your smile. There you are. And why grateful? Because at this point, it's high time for us. There was a question that shared with you later on. The author is Marlene Sabla, and the advisor, Dr.
So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, on travel na kami pabalik sa Calbayog. So, actually natapos yung outtaking is 4 p.m. and naghintay kami ng bus kasi nga wala kasing available na bus papuntang Calbayog. So, dumating yung bus sa 6 p.m. past na. So, umalis yung bus 7 p.m. na. So, obviously, makakarating kami na to sa bahay na madaling araw na. So, anyway guys, sobrang happy ko and sobrang grateful ko kasi nga naging successful yung outtaking namin and sobrang thankful din ako sa partner ko kasi nga hindi niya talaga ako iniwan and talagang sinamahan niya ako from taking my exams hanggang sa nakapasa ako and then hanggang sa nag-outtaking ako. So, sobrang grateful ko and blessed talaga na siya yung naging partner ko. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and mag-travel lang din muna kami pa uwi. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!